Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I've got a quick showcase. I have literally just had a delivery yesterday of some brand new pre-order stuff that is coming out, and it's an early release. So on early release and coming in the annual catalogue are 5 sets of tones blends. So we've got, what are they calling them? Stampin' blends, deep, medium deep, deep, medium, medium light and light. So they are skin tones, I would guess, and there's 10 of them in total, and they are coming in the annual catalogue, but you can get them now. Well, I lie. You can get them from the 1st of February. And because they are an early release, Stampin' has brought some stuff along with them as well that you can use. So we've got stamps, we've got dies, and we've got designer series paper. But I'm loving that we've got these. They don't have a name on them. They have got a colour, so that's 700 and 800. Well, actually, probably that's the light then. No. 700. So it's SU 700, 800, 900, 1000. Okay, 500, 600, 400, 300, 100 and 200. Okay. That way round. But anyway, we've got all colours. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure, all colours covered. But I love that we've got them coming out. And yeah, with these, as an order, you could buy the entire bundle that includes the stamp set, the dies and the paper. You could buy just those, you could buy those. These are while stocks last. These are not coming into the annual catalogue. It's just those. So we've got the red rubber stamp set with matching dies, and literally it's just arrived. I haven't got anything out yet, haven't played at all. So the dies are cutting out the hand, or those hands that, you know, with the little finger, and then the hands that are creating the heart. And then the words are "You matter" and "Here for you," and then a little heart as well, which goes along with that. So those are the dies. And let's have a look, because those are quite big. Oh, that's not going back in. They are a good size. So how big is that one? That is 3.5 by 2 inch. Well, it's shade under 2 inches. Oh, excuse me, sneeze unexpectedly. Oh, what did I say? That was 3.5 by 3.5 by 2? Yeah, 3.5 by 2, which is 9 by 5 centimetres. So yeah, that's going to fill a card. And then let's get that in there. And then the paper, I suspect, is black and white. So this is early release to demonstrators. So if you're a new joiner, because, you know, hello, Celebration is on with awesome joining offers, you can get this, you know, pre the 1st of February, or you can simply buy it on the 1st of February. So we've got the hands to colour in with black and white on the background. Got a nice, just plain monochrome background that you can add to leaves to colour in. More hands. I will add some samples that Stampin' Up have created for us to my blog post. You can click open the description bar here on this video and get a hyperlink to my blog post so you can see how to shop it. And obviously I will add the links to shop all of it as well. Not that you can until the 1st of February, or you can, like I say, you could join. But yeah, if you go over to my blog post, I'll make sure that there's some extra samples in there too. And last few. So I'm guessing, yeah, it's going to be 48 sheets. So all of those papers, like I say, the papers, the stamps and dies are only while stocks last and while the promotion is on, while it's on early release. But all of those blends, there we go, all those blends are coming into the annual catalogue. But yeah, you can get hold of them early if you want. Great colours. So yeah, 100 and 200 all the way up to 1,000. 1, 2, let's just confirm, 3, 4. Should we just get them out? Should we just do that? 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1,000. So those are all the colours. Perfect. I've got some Whisper White handy. So what have we got here? 1,000. These will be good with colour lifter. Oh, hello, Fauna. She's literally put her head in the box. Of course she did. Let's keep going. Last couple. And 100. So there we go. All the colours. They're looking good, aren't they? So there you go. Like I say, literally arrived with me yesterday. Thought I'd bring it out to show you and Fauna. She wants to see. Hope it's useful. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.